Hi everyone, and thank you for joining. My name is Olga Kahraman, and I'm a React developer and mentor based in Jersey City. Today, I want to share a story about speed, not just in rendering components, but in how quickly our entire profession is evolving. In 1991, the World Wide Web was invented. It took decades to fully reshape how we build digital experiences. But AI sprinted in our code bases. In just the last few months, I saw a dramatic shift in how we talk about, think about, and implemented modern React applications through two projects and two different roles. So let's go back to October 2024. I was a part of a five-person dev team building Book Talk, a literary discussion platform. The team structure was three front-end developers and two back-end developers, all new collaborators, but working under the same conditions as in later projects, building an app from scratch in 10 weeks. We had real-time comments, Zoom integration, light dark theme toggle, and full user auth. Our problems were familiar. State management with context API, reusable component design, performance optimization. Nobody on the team even said the words AI, not once. My mindset was write good code. I measured success in clean architecture, reduction of merge conflicts. We improved that by 40% through Git workflow optimization and responsive design. We were building interfaces, not conversations. We were solving classic React problems with React solutions. Fast forward 5 months in March 2025, same team structure, three front-end and two back-end developers, but different people and different mindset. Again, same setup, building an app from scratch in 10 weeks. But now we were developing Tripon, a web app to help users plan their travels. One of its advanced features was an AI-powered trip planning page using Gemini, a bonus layer that allowed users to get suggested ways based on their performances. The app included hotel search with availability calendar, booking, and user account management. While not a full conversational interface, the AI feature introduced a meaningful shift, building UI that could accept and reflect AI-generated suggestions. I was a mentor on this project. I wasn't coding full-time. I was guiding a team of React developers, conducting code reviews, facilitating workshops in English and Russian, and helping them explore React patterns for AI-enhanced feature. My concerns changed. How do I fix this bug? To how do I help this developer understand AI state complexity from writing logic to leading thought? The metrics I care about changed too. Team velocity, feedback cycles, knowledge transfer, and how quickly developers could iterate on unfamiliar tools like AI APIs. It got a lot of messier. Even as a non-central feature, AI added complexity from state handling to fallback behavior when responses weren't useful or available. In March 2025, the same team structure, same framework, but completely different thinking. React didn't change, our mindset did. So the shift wasn't just technical, it was cultural, from writing UI to orchestrating dynamic, unpredictable human AI interactions. What did I learn? Technically, AI responses require a new kind of state management. Errors boundaries became essential because AI fails in unexpected ways. A performance now involves streaming, not just re-renders, and accessibility demands extra attention. AI content is dynamic and needs to be properly marked up. And professionally, mentoring is not longer optional. It's core leadership. Teaching others helped me uncover gaps in my own knowledge, and the fastest learners now shape the strongest teams. Soft skills, empathy, communication, curiosity are multipliers, not extras. So, no matter how fast technology evolves, especially AI, the human factor remains essential. Collaboration, curiosity, shared decision making, and the ability to resolve not just code conflicts, but communication gaps and what drive real projects, real progress. We don't succeed because we code faster. We succeed because we learn together and adapt together and grow as a team. The future didn't walk into our React projects, it rushed in. In 5 months, I went from React developer to mentor of a team exploring AI enhanced travel planning, and the task evolved, the expectations shift, and the role itself transformed. We are not just developers anymore, we are educators, orchestrators, translators of complexity. So, if you are a React dev today, you don't just learn syntax, learn how to think, learn how to guide others, and learn how to build products for a world where AI is baseline, not the bonus. Thank you.